3 letters, one legendary logo, over 100 years of innovation. BMW is not just an automotive brand. It's a symbol of German engineering excellence, elegance, and the pursuit of perfection. Today, we'll dive into the history of a company that began with aircraft engines and transformed into one of the leaders of the global automotive industry. The history of BMW began in 1916, when Bayerische Flugzeugwerke Bavarian Aircraft Works was established in Munich. A year later, it was renamed Bayerische Motorenwerk, which translates to Bavarian Motor Works, hence the famous abbreviation, BMW. Initially, the company manufactured aircraft engines for military planes during World War I. The famous BMW logo with white and blue sectors symbolizes a rotating aircraft propeller against the sky, a reminder of the company's aviation past. After Germany's defeat and the ban on military equipment production, BMW had to reorient itself. In 1923, the first BMW motorcycle, the R32, was introduced, revolutionizing design with its transverse engine and shaft drive. In 1928, the company produced its first automobile, the BMW Dixie, a licensed version of the British Austin 7. The 1930s became BMW's first golden era. In 1936, the legendary BMW 328 appeared, a sports car that dominated of its time and established the brand's sporting image. World War II once again reoriented BMW's production toward aircraft engines. After the war, the company's factories were destroyed or alienated. BMW was on the verge of bankruptcy. The revival began with an unusual solution. In 1955, the company started producing the tiny BMW Isetta bubble car with a single door that opened at the front. This microcar helped the brand survive during the difficult post-war period. The real breakthrough came in 1962 with the launch of the BMW 1500. The first car of the so-called new class. These mid-sized sedans combined comfort and sporting character, which became BMW's signature trait. In the 1970s, the first models of the famous series that still exist today appeared. The BMW 5 Series debuted in 1972, and in 1975, the legendary 3, the BMW 3 Series, which became the brand's bestseller. It was during this period that BMW's famous advertising slogan was born, the ultimate driving machine, reflecting the brand's core philosophy, creating cars oriented primarily toward the driver. In 1978, the story of the legendary BMW M division began, the creator of the most powerful and sporty versions of BMW models. The firstborn was the BMW M1, a supercar ahead of its time. The 1980s and 1990s were marked by active technological development. BMW was the first to implement electronic driver assistance systems, onboard computers, and advanced safety systems. The company steadily expanded its model range. In 1999, the first BMW X5 crossover was released, marking the beginning of the successful X series. In 2013, the electric BMW i3 and the hybrid sports car i8 debuted, demonstrating the brand's commitment to eco-friendly technologies. What makes BMW special among other premium brands? First of all, signature design elements. The kidney grille, angel eyes headlights, and the Hofmeister kink, a distinctive bend in the rear roof pillar. These elements evolve but remain recognizable. A technical feature of many BMWs is the layout, with a longitudinally mounted engine and rear-wheel drive, providing perfect 50-50 weight distribution and unique road behavior. BMW has always paid special attention to ergonomics and driver-oriented interiors. The center console turned toward the driver's seat, intuitive controls. Everything is created for driving convenience. And of course, the special character of BMW cars, a combination of sportiness, driving pleasure, and a high level of comfort, which the company calls Freude am Fahren, joy of driving. Today, BMW Group is a global company producing BMW, Mini Cooper, and Rolls-Royce vehicles. BMW's model range includes everything from the compact 1 Series to the luxurious 7 Series, from the sporty Z4 to the family-oriented X7, from electric I models to exclusive M versions. BMW is actively developing electrification. By 2025, the lineup will include more than 25 electrified models. The company is investing in autonomous driving, digital technologies, and new materials. Despite global changes in the automotive industry, BMW remains faithful to its core values: innovation, dynamics, and premium quality, adapting them to new realities. From aircraft engines to the electric vehicles of the future, BMW's history spans more than a century of innovations, successes, and overcoming crises. A brand that started with producing aircraft motors has become synonymous with dynamics, elegance, and technological excellence. BMW continues to move forward while maintaining its essence, creating the ultimate driving machine, even as the very concept of driving undergoes revolutionary changes. And the blue and white propeller of the BMW logo continues to spin, symbolizing continuous movement toward new horizons in automotive technology.